Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video. In this video I will start this new series about title screen creation. Well, the only problem is that this is a very boring video because it's just putting the outline for the next part of the series. So I took this opportunity to talk to you about the channel and do a little update in the time when you have to watch the menu creation. So I'm very happy with how the channel is going, and what I want to do is to make this series and to make an artificially intelligent series, so an AI series, I think it's called in English. I don't remember. Or EA. I really don't remember. And so this is the project that I have for the channel. It's very difficult to port some video. I choose Blender. The tutorial is on Blender, the Blender journey. This is not really tutorial because I'm learning too. It's just to how can I say? It's just because it's more quick to make, and it's very difficult to keep 4 videos a week schedule. I'm trying really hard, but it's difficult. So when you see a Blender journey tutorial, a Blender journey video, it's journey because I want to do Blender, I want to play with Blender a bit, but it's also because I don't have time to make a system in Unity. I don't know if the next time will will be exiting. Well, I don't know if the next time comes out a Unity video, because it's very difficult to make and to keep up with the video routine. So I'm sorry for this, but I hope you understand that I can do only Unity. I know Unity create more views, but I'm not here only for the views. Okay, I'm finished the menu. The white box on the right is the actual an actual character that I will pick. I will design later. Maybe I can do a video about designing this character because it's quick. Sorry, but yeah, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.